Hello students, we have a new concept in determinants, area of triangle. In 10th standard you must have learned this formula that area of triangle is equal to half times this coordinate expressions. If coordinates of vertices ABC are given, then in terms of its coordinates we can definitely write like this: half of modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This you have studied in 10th standard, and it can be easily derived also using you draw the lines on the Cartesian plane, and with the help of areas of trapezium you can easily find out. Okay, now with the help of this, if we try to write it in this way, if you try to see, you can see this particular expression in the form of determinants, as if x1 times determinants y2 y3 1 1 minus x2 times, deliberately I have taken out minus sign. In the next step we'll see why it is like this: y1 y3 1 1. If you can multiply, and you can get it like this: x3 y1 y2 1 1. This nothing but it denotes, it gives us a determinant x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1 half times modulus of determinant. Why we put modulus? Because if it is negative, then using determinant we can take it out positive area. So this is the area of triangle using determinants. If the vertices of triangle are given, then we can apply this formula and directly find out the area of triangle. Now it has got another application. It says that if the area of triangle is 0, then all these 3 points come in one line, or we can say that it is collinear, and hence we can also find the equation of line if 2 vertices are given, if 2 points are given, and if they are asking us using determinants find the equation of line. You can find it, find unknown variables, unknown values of constant. These are certain applications that we will see in the upcoming video. We'll also we'll solve different problems, and this is how we see that area of triangle ABC is half times modulus of determinant x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1, like this you can use. And you can also use the transpose of this. If you interchange rows and columns, you may get 1 1 1 like this, and x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 in the first 2 columns, and 1 1 1 on the third column. In any way you can write it. So area of triangle in terms of determinants.